Throw sugar into the fire, and you'll grill like never before. Most experienced grill masters know this secret. If you love grilling, try the sugar trick. It's so simple you'll never use anything else again. You'll need an empty soda can. Use a cutting knife to cut the can in half. We'll use the bottom part as a container. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure there are no sharp edges. Pour some hand sanitizer with at least 70% alcohol into the bottom half. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons. It's flammable and often used to start grills. But now, add 2 large tablespoons of white sugar. Mix it well to create a paste. If the sugar is fine, it will be even more flammable. When sugar is exposed to heat, it undergoes thermal decomposition. This produces carbon and water vapor, which can burn and help fuel the fire. So if you need to light a grill, use the sugar trick. Always handle fire and flammable substances carefully.